Join me as I take on the challenge of installing VIKYLIN security cameras like an expert and reveal all the secrets along the way. When it comes to enhancing home security, VIKYLIN security cameras are an excellent choice. Not only are they affordable, but they're also packed with advanced features that give you a clear view of what's happening around your property. One of the biggest mistakes people make when installing security cameras is not considering the camera's field of view. Many cameras have a limited range, so if you're not strategic about where you place them, you could end up with blind spots that compromise your security. Another common mistake is not securing the cameras themselves. People often think that once they've installed the cameras, they're safe from tampering. But the reality is that if someone wants to disable your cameras, they can do it if you don't take the necessary precautions. And then there's the issue of poor video quality. If your cameras are not capturing clear footage, they're not going to be much help in identifying potential intruders or providing evidence in case of a break-in. Finally, many people underestimate the importance of cable management. If your cables are exposed, not only does it look unsightly, but it also makes it easier for someone to cut them and disable your cameras. When it comes to installing VIKYLIN security cameras, one of the most important things to consider is optimal camera placement. This involves mapping out your property to identify areas of high vulnerability, such as entry points, windows, and doors. Another key consideration is avoiding blind spots. This means positioning your cameras in a way that allows them to capture footage from multiple angles, reducing the likelihood of someone slipping under the radar. In addition to camera placement, it's essential to ensure that your cameras are securely fastened to the wall or ceiling to prevent tampering. Finally, take the time to adjust the camera's angle and focus to ensure that you're capturing clear, high-quality footage. One common installation secret that can drastically improve camera performance and security coverage is using a centralized power supply. This allows you to connect multiple cameras to a single power source, reducing clutter and making it easier to manage your system. Another secret is using weather-resistant cables to connect your cameras to the power source and recorder. This ensures that your system remains functional even in harsh weather conditions. In addition to these secrets, consider using a dash cam or trail cam to supplement your security system. These cameras are designed to capture footage in specific contexts, such as in car or outdoor footage, and can provide additional layers of security. Finally, one of the most effective secrets is to create a hybrid system that combines wired and wireless cameras. This allows you to take advantage of the strengths of each type of camera, providing a more comprehensive security solution. By following these expert installation tips, you'll be able to create a robust security system that provides clear video quality, comprehensive coverage, and strong resistance to tampering. If you've installed VIKYLIN security cameras or have experience with security systems in general, let us know in the comments below. What has been your biggest challenge when it comes to installing security cameras? And if you want more security tips and tricks, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be discussing advanced security features and how to get the most out of your VIKYLIN security cameras.